Instagram isn't just a great way to keep up with what your friends are doing, it's also a great messaging tool where you can communicate with your friends, share your favorite posts, and generally hang out and chat. But what if you want to message all of your friends at once? Is it possible to create a group in Instagram? Thankfully, it absolutely is, and in fact, it's as easy as starting a new message in chat. Open Instagram on your phone and open the Instagram Direct tab by clicking on the paper airplane icon in the top right corner of your screen. Then click on the Compose icon. Select from your suggested list to open contacts on your screen, or type in the name of the contact you want to add, then hit the Chat button to start your group. At the top of the screen, you'll see the members of your group, along with the number of currently active users on Instagram. Below this is an option to name your group, along with the standard chat window at the bottom of your screen. In the top right corner is the option to start a video call and the link to edit the details in your group. Inside the details page is where you can edit your group name and control notifications. Toggles for muting messages, mentions, and video chat are all here, and you can enable the option to force approval if a member wants to join. In the Members tab, you'll find options to remove members, make other group members admins, and add people to the group. If you created the group chat, you're automatically an admin. Finally, at the bottom of the screen, you can find options to leave the chat and, if you're ready to call it quits, to end the chat entirely. That removes everyone, including you, from the group. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering social media and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.